Hello, Victor here from Crewe. Today we'll be showing you around this Audi Q3 2.0 TDI S line edition. Finished in elegant black and powered by 2-liter diesel engine delivering 150 PS, and paired with manual transmission, this Q3 offers capable and confident driving experience, perfect for the ever-changing driving conditions. The Q3's bold S-line styling gives it a real presence, enhanced by aggressive S-line radiator grille with horizontal high-gloss black struts, as well as 18-inch alloy wheels which not only sharpen the visual stance but also provide solid road contact and confident cornering. From the back you'll notice LED taillights with dynamic rear indicators that add futuristic touch, while the chrome-plated twin exhaust trims and S-line body styling deliver Audi character. Around the back, the power-operated tailgate opens to reveal spacious and flexible boot, complete with reversible floor and extendable cover. In the back, you will find supportive seats with ISOFIX mounting points, generous headroom and legroom for up to 3 adults, and a black cloth headlining which adds a premium feel. Slide into the front and you'll notice S-line embroidered sport seats with 4-way electric lumbar support that hold you firmly in place. The matte brush aluminium inlays, front center armrest and perforated leather gear knob create modern and driver-focused ambience. The 3-spoke leather multifunction Q design steering wheel is both tactile and practical, placing cruise control, audio and voice commands at your fingertips. Ahead of you, the driver information system provides essential vehicle stats and efficiency data. On offer is a dual-zone electronic climate control which ensures both you and your front passengers stay comfortable. The infotainment system comes with console radio and MI Audi music interface with DEP digital radio, which delivers high-quality audio through 8 passive speakers. You also have access to Bluetooth for hands-free calling and wireless streaming to keep you connected, SD card-based satellite navigation, which makes it easy to plan and follow routes, and full phone connectivity and voice control for convenience. The driver will also benefit from Audi Drive Select, allowing you to tailor your driving experience with selectable modes to suit your mood and road, as well as front and rear parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q3 2.0 TDI S line edition. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.